Hey everyone, Gasman here. I just thought I'd do a quick video on my bird feeder setup, how I fill it, and how I keep it high enough that the bears won't get it. I just have my rope on a little C-hook here. It runs up over that tree, and you can see the feeder there. You'll see the suet feeders when I bring it down, but very easily I just have knots with hooks here, and I just slide it down, and then I have different knots depending on what part I'm feeding or filling. You'll see in a moment here. Now I'm going to do the feeder first, so we'll just hook that on there. I got some sunflower seeds here. Open up my feeder. It's a little banged up because a couple weeks ago I had a bear reach up and rip it down. I guess he was hungry at night and banged it all to hell. So we'll work on getting a new feeder here. I'll get this filled and I'll get back to you. Alright, so this is my feeder. It's connected by just a slip knot here and an S-hook, and then of course there's a little circle on the feeder itself. This top comes off, and then we put the seed down in here. I just use sunflower seed because that's what all the birds are after anyway. Over here, this is my first suet feeder. Again, a slip knot. This is a C-bolt, and that's connecting onto the feeder, the suet feeder itself. Now, suet feeders just have little bent pieces of metal that open and close it. You just open it like this. You put your suet in, and you close it like that. Now, I have two of them. You lower this down, you see the other one. This is the other one here. This is already open. So what I'm going to do is get some suet and we'll put it in. Alright, this is the suet here. Just comes wrapped in plastic in a little plastic tumbler. So let's get this open here. What I do, I'll hook my hook here. All I do is, you got the feeder open, you just squeeze that right in, close it up. That's all there is to it. Now when I'm done filling everything, very simply I just unhook it, pull it up to my top notch here. I used to have it on this knot, but that was low enough that the bears could reach up and yank it down. So I raised it up another, I don't know, 3 feet or so, and I just hook it on here. I'll get a shot of the feeder here. Let's move this back. That's the feeder up there. Birds don't take long to come get the food. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you out a little bit, that you can start your own feeder system. Alright, have a good one.